Hi, so I'm Dan Bradley. I'm the Head of Climate and Environment at the UK Mission to the EU in Brussels, and I'm here in Leeds. Really nice to be back after a long time, having been an undergraduate here studying geography, and then I went on to do a PhD on how people adapt their livelihoods to very pressure driven situations in parts of the Sahel, adapting to climate but also other pressures. And that put me on a really great pathway coming out of Leeds to really develop a career looking at really big, complicated global issues like international development, poverty reduction, tackling the climate and nature crises. And for the last 20 years, I've been doing that with the UK government as an advisor in places like India and Brazil, where I lived for many years, most recently now working in Brussels, working with the EU. So I've come here to talk a bit about that experience, talk to some students about that pathway, talk a bit about what climate diplomats do, what we are, how we work, particularly at the moment how we're working on the next level of our partnership with the EU to tackle the climate crisis. But I'm also here to learn from the cutting edge academics that there are here in the Priestley Centre, which is a great multidisciplinary set of people looking at all aspects of climate change. So I'm really keen to learn more about what are the hot topics, the really cutting edge research questions that they're grappling with, and in return to share a few insights about the big policy questions that we're facing in our work in climate diplomacy.